all, here is a simple code which creates a button in Python. So to create widgets like this, there is a library which is a GUI library called tkinter, which is inbuilt into the Python. So first we are going to import that. So we are going to import everything, and then we are going to create a window. Okay, root is equal to tk of creates a window, and then and what we are doing is we are having the window dimension as 250 cross 100, and in that window we are creating a button. Okay, using the button methods you can see here, and it has a text click here, and we are using command is equal to root dot destroy. What does it mean is we are saying once you click the button, you close the window. So that's what the command we are giving. We can also delete this if you want the window to persist. And then we are saying um, align the button on the left side of the window and root dot main loop. So we are just trying to run the loop. Okay, let us try to compile this. Once you run this, you will see this. Okay, you can see here. This is the TKGUI. Um, so this is part of the library, and then you can see this is a window which is created with 250 cross 100 dimensions, and as we say click here, it got disappeared. You can see. So the window got disappeared. So it's working as intended, right? A very simple way to create a button in Python.